What is up, you guys? It's your boy Alex Rowe Media, and today's gonna be a little small clip. I'm doing this little small clip so you guys don't think that I've forgotten about you guys or anything. So not too long ago I ordered the coil packs. I actually ordered them about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, and they're actually heading to Russ's house. They're actually not coming to my house. So reason why we did that was because, you know, just to save time. Next time he just gives me a call, but he's been really busy as well. So I was planning on doing the coil packs before the actual meet, which is this Sunday coming up, June 2nd. So hopefully it's possible, but if not, it's all right. I'll just have to do it after the meet. But yeah, I'm super excited about Sunday. I'm going with actually 2 friends, hopefully 2. One of them from work. Just know I'm going with a couple of friends, Russ, and some other people I haven't met. We're all gonna, you know, hang out. We're definitely gonna have some coffee. I'm definitely gonna need it. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. It's gonna be our first meet. I know I always say I'm gonna be posting more videos and all that. It's just I've been really busy with something, and I prioritize this a lot, and you guys will definitely see it soon. You guys definitely see it, and hopefully you guys, you know, will understand what I'm trying to do. Oh man, my battery's about to die. But yeah, I'm doing something really big. At least in my perspective, I think it's big, something that'll be future wise in my life. So I'm working on that first, and I'm super close. And as soon as that's done and I get what I'm trying to get, you guys will definitely be seeing more mods coming to the car. What I'm really trying to do is just focus on the car a lot after I do this, power wise. And then, you know, I've always thought about wide bodying it. I don't know, something. I just like being different with my car. Always like being different, and you guys probably know that already. So yeah, just stick with me, guys. You know, I'm definitely gonna do that, and I'm working hard for that. So yeah, I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, you know, what I'm trying to do, and I will explain that when I've accomplished what I've been trying to do for this past, I don't know how long I've been saying this for. So yeah, I'm really stoked on that. Like I can't wait for that to happen. I just need that to happen. But yeah, I got the coil packs coming. After that, I do plan on buying, I was told actually by Russ that something I do need that is, I guess you could say, yeah, important. 2 of the things that Russ actually told me I should get was a turbo smart wastegate and a forge blow-off valve. He said those 2 things are really the first things to do as I was doing the tune for the car, because it would make more sense that way. But you know, I guess we didn't go that route, we just did it differently. So yeah, he told me, you know, after the coil packs, I would suggest you get the turbo smart wastegate and the forged blow-off valve, and after that pretty much do other things. I was talking to him about probably putting on some Brembo brakes, the suspension, you know, those kind of things. And I always tell him I want to work on the outside, the exterior, the physical of the car towards the end, put my own little touches to it. But for now, I just want to work on the car, in it, power wise. So yeah, guys, that's that. And yeah, I really hope you guys stick with me. This was gonna be a very short video. My battery is so close to dying. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for being there. commenting all the time, supporting me, because believe it or not, without you guys actually commenting here and there and watching my videos, believe it or not, like, you know, it makes you think like, should I do it, should I not? But you guys are always making me want to do videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AlexRomedia. Show some love, follow me, DM me, comment on this video. And if you're new to the channel, if you guys are viewing this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You guys will really help me a lot, and I got a lot of things coming up for the car, I'm telling you right now. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. One of these days, I'm actually gonna, probably another day, maybe tomorrow or the following day, this week, for sure this week, I'm definitely gonna go get my car washed, inside, outside. I'm gonna see if I could get it clay barred, because I know I ever since I bought it, I've done probably like 2 car washes, and I don't like car washes, but I've done 2 car washes, and ever since then my car has been dirty for the winter, not cleaned at all. So I want to get it hand washed, clay barred, and waxed, just so it can look great on Sunday. I was planning on doing it today, but it was raining and it's very gloomy and whatnot. It looks today. So that's what I have planned on doing. If you're watching this and you're new, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys. Peace.